Welcome to Specialist Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. Sitting there looking very unassuming. What a beauty this is, direct from the last lady owner who really has cherished this vehicle. Absolutely delighted to get my hands onto it. It is gorgeous. BMW M135i Automatic, 5-door, finishing I believe one of the best colours out there, Estoril Blue Metallic. It's got the absolutely fabulous coral red leather interior. Just look at that. Isn't that just a wow factor? I absolutely love the combination. It is just absolutely gorgeous. The car has just over £3,000 worth of factory fitted options, 3170 to be exact. The car is absolutely stunning all the way around. It is absolutely beautiful. Registered 31st of December 2015 on a 65 plate with full service history. .322 brake horsepower. What an amazing family performance car it is. It's got the rear parking sensors. Just look at that colour. Absolutely gorgeous. Great size boot on it. Nice and clean. No damage at all. Split folding rear seats. Battery in there, no spare wheel on this, complete toolkit, lock and wheel bolt in there. The bodywork totally unmarked, just beautiful all the way around. No dents, no scratches, no scuffs, all down the sides. Absolutely gorgeous. Fabulous car to drive. Great handling. All the wheels in great condition. No damage on those. Matching Michelin tyres all the way around. With plenty of tread all the way around on those. Just look at it. Absolutely stunning. Plenty of legroom in there, lots of space. All the trims, you would think it was brand new. Non-smoker's car, no smells in here. Everything totally unmarked. Aluminium trim there. Again, all the trims, great condition. And those sport seats really do hug you in. Again, the condition of those, no wear anywhere. Centre armrest with USB augs in there. Everything controlled nice and easily. The centre panel on there. So you've got navigation, Bluetooth connection, media, radio. Great stereo on it. This one's also got the heated seats. You've got dual zone climate control. This has also got adaptive suspension, all control from that. Eco, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus, so you can just get it exactly how you want to drive the car. This one also has the cruise control with speed limiter and emergency braking, Bluetooth phone, voice activation, and of course the paddle shift gear change. And just look at the mileage, just 38,277. Incredibly low mileage car. 2015. Other features include automatic lights, automatic wipers, auto dimming mirror. But just look at the condition. No damage, no marks, all absolutely perfect. So if you're looking around and you're comparing prices, specification, cars, it's all about the condition, the history, not simply price. So if you want one of the best examples out for sale, this has got to be the one. And what I believe to be the best combination as well: Estoril Blue, coral red leather, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, part exchange always welcome, great finance available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your monthly payments. You can apply direct off our website. You can click and reserve this car 24/7. So if you want it and you don't want to miss it, click and reserve 24/7. Click and collect, or we can arrange home delivery if you so wished. Please ask us for further details about that and how it works. Specialist Cars based in Stoke on Trent, multi-award winning dealer. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. Any further information, we're always available on the end of the phone, which is 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.